So every day there are healthcare conferences that you can attend. Although they seem an agenda to be focused, indeed they're not. And that's actually indicative of the industry today. The Healthcare Industry Transformation Project, the HITP, is absolutely on the other end of the spectrum. This is a group of influential executives from influential healthcare organizations that indeed have a shared goal. And it can become effectively, once again, that spark that sets off the chain reaction across the industry and people follow in our lead.
I think this industry has acknowledged the need to change how we service healthcare for all Americans.
You could throw a dart at a spinning globe and hit a higher value healthcare system than the United States, and that ought to be unacceptable. And so I'm looking forward to changing that.
I want my doctor to have access to the most critical, the most recent information about me, the information that he or she needs to be able to take care of me in the moment, and that's going to require some great technology to empower them to do that.
By 2025, it's said that 25% of our gross domestic product will be spent on healthcare. By 2030, the average family income will equal the average family outlay in terms of health insurance premiums and out-of-pocket expenses. None of those realities can actually come to be. We have to move the ball from where we are so that those cataclysmic realities don't occur. And it's going to take informed people who are working at the coalface every day to think about those solutions. And so this is not optional, this is essential.
Healthcare is made up of so many different components.
You have physicians, you have health plans, you have hospitals, you have technology providers, not all working in the same environment or in the same markets, but all with common goals and purposes.
And if you could ever get a big system view, I think you can go a long way toward making big inroads into healthcare.
And I think at the end of the day, it's all about knowing what some of other organizations are doing as a collective unit, and then trying to take those learnings and going back and applying those learnings in our own organizations. But more importantly, there's a shared vision within the group to be able to take that vision, understand what it means from a technology, business process improvement standpoint, and then go back to our organizations and then do something about it. I think the application of that vision, I think that's what excites me about this group.
I'm excited with the group. I think it's a collaboration of like-minded individuals who hopefully can lead the way for the next stages of what we need to do in healthcare IT, which is get to true decision support, statistical, mathematical, and data mining in real time.
It's very important that we stay active within the small group and actually do something about it.
So one of our expectations with the HITP was to create an environment where the executives of these healthcare organizations can sort of let their hair down, pretend there's a friction-free environment, and indeed talk about change as it needs to occur. And I will say this, the energy level is beyond my expectation. The collaboration is just wonderful. I'm completely inspired by how this has been embraced, and actually have great expectations for what this team is going to accomplish in the future.